Basic operation in algebra. The default operation in algebra is multiplication. 2a means that 2 is being multiplied by the variable a. Another thing that you need to know is that we don't need to write 1 as a coefficient. So for example, you have 1x, you just need to write x without writing the 1. So x has the same meaning as 1x. Multiplication in algebra. When you are multiplying in algebra, you need to pay attention to these things. When we multiply algebraic expression, we need to remember the index law. If you are multiplying numbers, just multiply them like 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. If you are multiplying variables with the same letter, use index. If you are multiplying variables with different letters, just write them down in alphabetical order. Instead using the multiplication sign, we use dot as the symbol for multiplication in algebra. Example number 1. 2 times a is equals to 2a. Remember that we use dot instead of the multiplication sign. One of the purpose is so that we don't get mixed up between the letter x and the multiplication sign, because they look pretty much alike. Example number 2. 3a times 2b. In this example, we multiply 3 and 2 become 6. And since a and b are different variables, then we just rewrite them in alphabetical order. So 3a times 2b is equals to 6ab. Example number 3. 3a times 2a. The same goes with 3 and 2. We just multiply them, equals to 6. As for the variables, because we have the same variables from both of the terms, so a times a is equals to a squared, which make the result of the calculation is 6a squared. Note that the only thing that is square is the variable a. Example number 4. 3a to the power of 4 times 2a to the power of 5. In this case, the index laws apply. Remember that a to the power of 4 has the same meaning as multiplying a 4 times. So 3a to the power of 4 has the same meaning as 3 times a times a times a times a. The same goes to 2a to the power of 5. It has the same meaning as 2 times a times a times a times a times a. So 3a to the power of 4 times 2a to the power of 5 is 6a to the power of 9. Notice that we get a to the power of 9 by just calculating how many a multiply altogether. In this case, we have 9a. So the result of the multiplication of 3a to the power of 4 times 2a to the power of 5 is 6a to the power of 9.